In this video, we'll show you how to reset and reprogram your Callovo 2-number display call system. To reset the system and unpair all call buttons, press and hold the record button until you hear 2 beeps and a closing melodic tone. Then press the record button once again. You'll hear 1 beep, indicating the system has been reset. Press the time button once to complete the system reset. After resetting the system, follow these steps to reprogram the system. Press and hold the record button until you hear 2 beeps and a closing melodic tone. This indicates the pairing mode is active. Next, pick up each call button and press it once to pair it with the receiver. Once all call buttons have been paired, press the record button once, and you'll hear 1 beep. Finally, press the time button once to exit the pairing mode. Callovo. Simple, but more than just simple.